Hello everyone. Time to relax. I got up around 7. Aches and pains again. I heard a few different birds this morning and I was hoping that I would hear the same ones. I think if I can get a bird feeder, that pole would be perfect place to put it because it's pretty close to me. And I think you could see the birds good if they would, if they would eat the seeds while I was sitting here. That'd be awesome. But my brother came over and mowed this bank and weed eated some. You can tell it's nice over here where he's weeded. He mowed this little area right here, so it's easier for Joy to use the riding mower to get the rest. And he cut the weeds and stuff from that stump over there. We got to work on that one in the middle there. It's got a tree growing out of it, and get these vines off this tree. But he weeded it around the rock. I really appreciate him so much. He has his own yard and he helps with one of his son's yards. Then he does what he does over here and works. I'd like to take those satellite dishes out too. That's from when we used to have satellite. We got cable now. But the birds love to get on them, but to me they're an eyesore. So I may talk to them about helping me get those things out of there. Now that the sun's out, it's starting to get warm. It's a little bit overcast. They don't look too much like rain yet. Clouds are pretty over that way, like a little pattern. They look pretty over that way too. Look like some mountains or something. You ever look for shapes in the clouds? I've seen some pretty crazy stuff before, but never had a camera or anything. I won't have a regular show tonight because Logan's going to have Logan's awesome snack reviews. And he's got quite a few things he's going to be trying. I especially want to see him try those jelly beans that have the weird flavors. It's Harry Potter. I forget what they're called. Bean something. It's got some pretty nasty flavors in it too, like, I don't know, sausage, soap. Oh gosh. I think one of them said vomit. Oh my gosh. Why would you have flavors like that? So y'all may actually get to see Logan try something that he didn't like tonight. Well, that one bird I wanted to hear has not made a noise again. It's a real crazy sound too. I think we get a lot of the different birds because of this lake that's close by. They love all these big trees. There used to be a lot more trees. Over the years, things have happened. And when you have a lot of big trees like these, you're gonna eventually have some issue to deal with if you're a homeowner. I promise you. You can see two right here. That one was right next to the house there. And that one there. So, it's not cheap either. To have anything done to trees is expensive. I just heard that bird a little. Did y'all just hear that? Maybe it'll do it again. It did it a lot louder earlier. So if y'all didn't hear that, then kind of right when I said something about it, right before that is when it made the noise. If you want to go back and listen again. I wish it would do it louder. Well, there's some kind of aircraft. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, moving. Just went through the tree like it's going, I mean, not through the tree, but you can't see it because of the tree right now. See which way it goes. There it is. I hope y'all could see that. I wonder if Kitty's in here. Hey, Kitty? No, she's off playing somewhere. Hello there, Adam. How are you this morning? I'm doing pretty good, everybody. How are y'all? I'm doing good. Have a good day. You too. There's a little birdie over there by the drain. It's going in the garage. I'm trying to find something. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please press the like button. Subscribe if you hadn't already. Hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. I hope everybody has a great day. And I'll see you later on. Don't forget to watch Logan's awesome snack reviews on my channel this evening. Goodbye, everyone.